Hello everyone, so today we're gonna play a Bloons Monkey City. What? We're gonna play Bloons Monkey City, so what should we play? Any fun tiles? DDT? No. This seems easy. It's a heart. Nah, I don't wanna do DDTs today. Double BFB? Yeah, I guess so. Man, I just did 3 treasure chests, and I wanted to get the freaking free dart monkey, because who doesn't want it? But oh no, I can't get it. I don't know why. They're just like they're just not being kind. They're just not generous. Okay. Yeah, the ninja horrible right now. So we got our seeking shurikens, but not that great of a job. Nope, definitely not. So, what could we get? Let's get a double shot in. No, let's just get another farm right now. Just right now. If we get the money. Which we don't. Well, okay. Well, we definitely need a mortar in this map. But where could we put a mortar? Mortars are... There's no great placement for a mortar in this map. Then we'll need bigger blasts. Holy crap, that was really... yeah. So, oil regrows. Definitely not gonna be good. So let's get a double shot. And then get another farm. We're gonna farm like crazy. Crazy farming today. We need a lot of money. At least let's get like 4 farms. Seriously. So okay, we got our double shot. So let's get another farm. We need to get the Bloons, so we need a lot of money, and a lot of money means a lot of farms. 1,000. Yes. Uh-oh. Pineapple work. Yes, 1 shot. So let's get a double shot. No, a Bloons. Oh crap. You know, after thinking of it, let's get 3-0 cannon. You know, they don't have such big of a difference. So we will not have to use any pineapples anymore. And I'm gonna get a cluster bomb. Cluster bombs are awesome. Uh-oh, that's not gonna end up well. Man, this is a horrible placement after I think about it. I was thinking to pop all of this. But no. Horrible placement. So this is gonna be the last farm, at least for now. And I'm gonna get one of these Bloons. Yes, we got a cannon, so we don't have to care about these pesky lead balloons. Okay, so what should I talk about? Personal stories, maybe? Yeah. So there was a debate competition last week. So, yeah, last week was the finals, just the real finals. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh crap! I didn't want to lose any lives. So yeah, last week was the finals of the debate competition. The results are not in yet, but I'm really interested about the scores because, I don't know. I think I did a pretty decent job. If it's released, I'll probably put a link in the description. I don't know if it's gonna work for any other people. Yeah. So, but I think they're not gonna upload it. No. Not even on YouTube. So, well, don't expect the debate competition stuff. So we got a 4-2 cannon, and yeah, it's awesome. So, since this is a DDT tile, yeah, we should get this. Yeah. We should get the distraction. We don't know when they're gonna come, the Moabs. So, I'm concerned about that, but yeah. What could I do? Just get more farms. Yeah. And now let's get Moab Maulers. Let's roll them out. Okay, that's a lot of ceramics. Strong. Moab Maulers are awesome for ceramic popping power, so I don't know. There could be this believing thing. Like, I'm so strong. But it was the Moab Maulers popping the ceramics, so yeah. Some weird stuff that sometimes I don't even know. Okay, so let's get more Moab Maulers. Oh yeah, Moab Maulers already doing an awesome job. Actually, not that awesome. Seriously. So let's get a radar scanner thingy. Yeah, we should. So, oh man, that's not gonna end up well. No, it's not. So we could pop the almost all of the Bloons. Can I place it here and somehow make it cheaper? Yes, it's cheaper. So we could get more money. Strong. 800. Oh crap. Okay, we're doing a pretty good job. Decent. Very decent. What? Oh. I thought of something really. Oh man, that's not good. Well, I have 5 Moab Maulers. 4 Moab Maulers do enough for these guys. Even 3 Moab Maulers could. So let's get this upgrade. This 0-3 or 2-3. I don't know. Let's go for a 0-3 right now. That's good for DT popping power. So okay, let's get an ice tower. Let's get an Arctic wind. Well, it's not cheaper on this tile, so well, not the best thing to do, but yeah, whatever. What could happen? So we could increase the attacking rate of the Moab Mauler by getting jungle drums and enhance everything. And right, the 0-3, the thing before MIB, what was it called? Oh, no, it's just Monkey Intelligence Buru. I don't know. So, oh right, let's get the Arctic Wind. So this thing makes the towers pop everything that they could. So this is gonna be able to pop everything in its sight. So this is technically infinite popping power, and it could pop white balloons. So we're winning, I guess. So we need something for more DDT popping power. So we should get a spike storm or something else. I want to get a 4th tier. Wait, I can't get. Oh, what? Oh, I didn't have the money? I think so. I don't know what I should get. Should I get a 4th tier? Like, what was it called? Yeah, I'm gonna get the Moab Shredders. To shred all the balloons. We're gonna shred the DDTs. Yes, we are. they're gonna get shredded so very much. And why I'm not getting the white dot spikes and red dot spikes? White dot spikes, yeah. The reason is I don't have to. I have this thing. I don't have to. Let's get a 0. No, 2 degree. A 2 degree. Man, this army of Moab Maulers. You see, it definitely got faster. This is the last round. I'm scared. Wait, I just forgot what tile this was. Was it a DET tile? Holy crap, that's a lot of BFBs. But our Arctic Wind is able to pop them all. Yes, that's a lot of lag. Oh crap. Man, this game is so laggy right now. It wasn't a DDT. Oh, it's a double BFB. Oh, now I get it. So, yeah, we're done for today. So, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.